Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I will give you a complete introduction to the IELTS exam. If you are a beginner and don't know what IELTS is, how many modules it has, and why people take IELTS test, then this video is perfect for you. So let's get started. First of all, let's understand what IELTS is. IELTS stands for International English Language Testing System. It is an international exam for the test your English language skills. This exam checks how well you can listen, read, write, and speak in English. IELTS is accepted in countries like UK, Canada, Australia, New Zealand, and many more. Number 2, to work in English-speaking countries. Number 3, for immigration purposes. And number 4, for professional registration like doctors, nurses. IELTS has 2 different types, also called modules. Choosing the correct module is very important and it depends upon your goal. IELTS Academic is for students who want to study at universities or college abroad. If you are planning to do bachelor's, master's or PhD, then you need IELTS Academic. It is also required for some professional courses. So it depends upon your goal completely. Let's talk about the IELTS General Training. IELTS General Training is for the people who want to work abroad or apply for immigration. This module focuses on daily life English and workplace English. It is commonly required for countries like Canada, Australia and UK immigration, and even for the purpose of permanent residency. So now let's have a look to the IELTS exam format. The IELTS exam has 4 sections. These are listening, reading, writing and speaking. All candidates take the same listening and speaking tests, but reading and writing are different from academic and general training. So when you go for the exam, first of all, they play the listening module, and then after that, reading is given to all of the students, but definitely different reading question paper for the general and academic students being distributed with the writing task. Writing task is also different. So that's why there you need to understand the difference between the academic and general training. And speaking, of course, it comes 1-to-1, and that depends upon the interview dates that you receive before or after the exam sometimes. Let's talk about the IELTS score and results overview. So there is nothing pass or fail, and the score ranges basically from 0 to 9, and it also depends upon your goal. Like for some colleges and universities and for some specific courses, they just need 5 bands, 6 bands. So it is completely depends upon the course or the goal that you are aiming for. Each skill, listening, reading, writing and speaking, is scored separately. Then an overall band is being calculated. Different universities and countries require different band scores. Each skill scored separately, overall band also provided. The result that you receive, it's always in the test report form. We call it TRF, which is valid for 2 years. Every 2 years you have to take the exam again. You usually get the results within 2 weeks, and it can be sent to the receiving institution. Sometimes they want direct answer from the British Council or Cambridge. There is no passing marks, as I told you, but yes, you have the minimum eligibility criteria based upon the university or college that you are applying. Anyone can take the IELTS exam. There is no age limit, no specific qualification required. Students, working professionals, or anyone planning to go abroad can take the IELTS test. So in the upcoming videos, I will explain each IELTS section in detail, including tips and strategies and practice questions. So if you want to score high band in IELTS, make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.